I want to help you get 2 to 5 new real estate clients without cold calling, without open houses, without door knocking, without even paying for ads. And I know that sounds crazy, so we're going to do 2 crazy things for you as well. The first is you can join our program for 7 days absolutely free. You don't even have to pay a penny. That's because I want you to look around, see what our trainings are, see what our resources are, and I want you to actually want to be there. And the second guarantee is that if you don't get 2 to 5 new clients in your first 30 days, then we'll give you a full money back guarantee. No questions asked, no crazy contracts, no handcuffs. There are so many coaches out there that trick these people into joining their programs, and once you're in there, you can't get out. And I know, I've been in programs like that too, but we don't want that for you. We are so confident that this program works that we just want agents to be there because they want to be there, because they're hardworking, because they're passionate about helping more people, helping their clients even better. And it's not just us that are getting these crazy results, it's other agents as well. So for us personally, we did 29 home deals in 70 days. Now that's crazy. Our biggest month was 9 homes closed. And we use this system to become some of the top teams, not just in Austin, not just in Texas, but in the entire country. And we have agents that are adding $13 million in just 1 week because this is a system that is on demand, which means that if you want to work an hour, you'll get, it's a full input-output system. What drives me crazy about open houses and cold calling and a lot of other, especially contacting your sphere, bugging your friends and family, there's no direct output. You can write 100 cards to your friends and family, but if none of them are trying to buy or sell, then you won't get a lead. But with this system, it is on demand. So the more you work, the more leads you will get. You'll see these testimonials are crazy how fast that they get results. And that's what I want for you too. And that's why we're able to promise 2 to 5 new clients. So $13 million in the past week, triple my production. Gabriella got a $7.9 million house under contract her first month and made $152,000 when that closed. Tanya added 10 listings in 1 week and $6 million under contract thanks to these strategies. Andy had her first 100K month, 2 closings, 2 listings, 2 under contracts. Been super busy. 8 transactions in 6 months while taking 3 vacations. 8x my production thanks to both of your help. 23 transactions my first year. 2 clients this week. Again, it happens so fast because it's on demand. 2 clients within a day. Now this works for new agents and experienced agents. One of my favorite things is that it is a targeted system. So when you're just bugging your friends and family, or even open houses, theoretically open houses are people that are trying to buy or sell, but we know it's usually neighbors or just people that are bored on a Sunday and want to look at houses. With this system, you are actually finding people that are that are looking for help. So it not only is on demand, but it doesn't feel like you're cringy or chasing people. Like, the scripts are great and it's so authentic and it doesn't feel gross. That's really important to me. But again, the biggest thing is the results. So let me keep going. Also, our biggest thing is leads, but we can help you serve those clients once you get them as well. We give you our listing presentation that will teach you how you can charge 7% and get thanked for it. We have our buyers presentations as well. We teach all of our systems. We sell all of our houses very fast and on average above asking within like 5-mile radius, and there is a very specific strategy that we use to do that, and we want to teach it to you. So this works in any market for any experience level. You can see that we have so many results that it would take me hours, honestly, to go through all of this. Hours and hours and hours. 1 contact referred to me trying to meet up, 2 others are reaching out to friends. This works so well that people reach out to their friends to get clients for you. 4 to 5 people lined up to buy. This system works. You get, I mean, it's just crazy. Honestly, look at all of these screenshots that we have of agents just like you that are winning. And this is in all markets, in all different experience levels. We have a brand new agent that did this and got a client in, I think, his first week or maybe 2 weeks. I don't remember. So it works. It's crazy. And again, our promise is that we will help you get 2 to 5 new clients in your first 30 days, or you will get a full refund. So if that sounds good for you, then leave a comment down below, or check out the link in the description and book a call with me or someone on my team. I'm so passionate that this will help. And again, you get 7 days in the program, absolutely free to take a look around. So check out that link in the description if you're looking to grow your real estate business. And no, this has nothing to do with recruiting. We don't care what brokerage that you're at. We've worked with agents at all different brokerages, so it doesn't even really matter. But we're just here to help. I know what it's like to be stressed about where my next deal is coming from, being on that feast or famine roller coaster. You know, you have a huge month, the next month you have 0 closings. I know that stress and it's terrible. We found a system that gets you off of that roller coaster forever. And we're just so passionate about helping. That's why I make it an absolute no-brainer. 7 days for free in the program, 30-day money-back guarantee once you're in it. If you don't like it, you get your money back. No questions asked. We just want to help more realtors. So if you've made it this far in the video, then I'm sure this sounds at least a little enticing to you. Book a call with someone on my team down below, and we'll see you inside of the program. If you're not ready to book a call, no problems. You can subscribe to this channel. I make videos every week teaching agents all of these tips about how to grow your business, change your mindset, and really live the life that you want. So if you've made it this far, I believe in you, I'm cheering for you, and I love you, and I'll see you at the top. Talk to you soon.